front of me is HONOR X70i, and today I would like to show you how you can change or customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by tapping on this icon at the top left corner after launching your keyboard. Now here you can click Themes and instantly apply one of those by clicking on the best one. If you wish for something more interesting than a white and a black keyboard though, hit Themes again and use this icon with a shirt and a plus located under Downloaded Themes section. Over here you can look for a perfect theme for you and click on it to check it out. I will go with this one. Now hit download, tap on apply, and as you can see, after a couple of seconds mine was successfully applied. If you want to customize your own, click on the same icon for the third time, select themes, and this time use this icon of a photo located under customize themes. To continue, you need to choose Allow All in the pop-up and pick a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Like for example, this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, rotate it, and when you're pleased with the image, you can click on Next. Now it's time to adjust your keyboard. In first category, keys, you can pick one of those options or select something more interesting over here. To adjust opacity of whatever you picked, you need to operate this slider. Let's go with this one. Now click Font. Pick a perfect one and click on it to apply it. So you can also adjust color of it over here. Select Swipe and adjust flow options. Then scroll down and adjust your photo editor section. Over here you can adjust brightness of your image and blurriness. You can also adjust opacity of flow option. Hit Effect and pick one of those, like this one, to see it every time you press a key. If you want to enable or disable K-Press Bubble, click on this icon here. Now select Sounds. Adjust the volume by swiping left or right and pick any sound you want to hear every time you will press a key. If you don't want to use this option, you can also pick this one, and this is a standard keyboard sound, or mute it completely by clicking on this icon. Finally, to save your keyboard, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!